it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. I'm a UK-based Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me again today for another in my It's Not Just for Christmas series, doing sneak peeks of new items coming to a catalogue near you soon on the 4th of August. So this time I'm looking actually at kind of two things. Well, actually, let's make that potentially four things. So I'm looking at the Little Treats bundle, which is the Little Treats stamp set and the Little Treats dies. This is the box, so it's the Little Treats box dies. So we've got the box, we've got Santa's hat, we've got spiders, we've got this lovely scallop stitched circle, we've got the parcel, we've got a ring, we've got baubles, we've got little banners, we've got a tag, I think I said spider, and of course the main thing is the die, which is amazing. And there's more baubles over there. So really useful little set, because it isn't just for Christmas. We've got birthday wishes for you today, a little treat for someone sweet, we've got these lovely little sweeties, Santa's hat, rings, present, florals, thank you for coming, happy Halloween, especially for you, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, to, from, and of course the spider and the banner. So already you can see it's not just for Christmas. I'm pairing that with the Coming Home bundle, which is the Coming Home stamp set and the Home Together dies. If you buy the stamp set either as part of the bundle or as part of the Sweet bundle, then Stampin' Up! Will donate, let me check exactly how much, but they will donate a portion of it to, page 24, sorry I can't show you the catalogue yet, they will donate £2.50 to charities that are devoted to adoption, foster care and infertility. It's one of the great things about Stampin' Up! Is that they do give back. So I'm pairing it with these, which are really sweet and obviously not just for Christmas. So the first one that I have made is this, which I'm just doing as a little box, not Christmassy at all. You could put whatever you want inside. The next one, and I should say I've used the fine tip glue for the windows. You could use the shimmery crystal effects instead, but I went for the fine tip glue. So let me show you the die. This is how it comes once it's die cut. So it's got this lovely scallop. Now you can actually kind of take this to pieces. So you could cut it here for a tag. You could cut it kind of here-ish, and you'll see where in a minute, and make it just a box. There are endless possibilities, but as I say, don't just think of it as a box. So it's pre-scored. As you feed it through the die cutter, it scores, so I like to just reinforce the score lines so that they are definitely where they're meant to be. And so reinforce those, reinforce this, and you can see this is why you need to reinforce them, because you can end up with things going slightly crooked, which you don't want. And then finally reinforce this fold there and its partner there. Right, now it's almost as if it was meant, but what you do is you take that flap and you feed it through there. Now you don't have to glue it. I think I would. And this is where I say it's almost as if it was meant. Tear and tape, perfect width for particularly if I can tear it, for that flap. And that's going to be hidden behind the... That's going to come under. You'll see. You'll see. My brain is clearly not working. I've been filming most of the day, which is fine, except it does mean that I end up losing words. So let's remove those, and you're going to come in at an angle, feed the flap through, line it up. I've got a stray end there, just tuck that in, and it's beautifully lined up. Do the same again on this side. And there we are. Now the top you can tie together with some ribbon. I've got some of the ribbon from, I want to say it's the Flowers for Every Season suite. So I'm just going, actually I'm not going to do that yet because we need to put our houses on. Now you may think that this is not terribly Christmassy because I've gone pool party, but the paper that goes with the Coming Home stamp set, which is called Trimming the Town Designer Series paper, has pool party in it. So I've actually gone with that whole colour theme. I've done some of the little wreaths, which I've got mini glue dots on. They are completely out of scale, that's the word I'm looking for. Actually I'm going to put that, no, I'll put that one there. So it's almost, actually I might put it there, because it is so out of scale. I think we'll just put it there as if it's a house decoration rather than a front door. And pop that there. And then I'm going to put more dimensionals on the back. I've got some little bits left over, and I know this is going to upset someone, but I like to crack mine in the middle. I was told off in my last Facebook Live for doing that. How could you do that? Quite easily, actually. It's kind of how I do them. And pop that there, then that will support the chimney as well. And then if I use that there, that will deal with that. And then that can go in the bin, always useful. We can just add a couple more dimensionals to this. Again, it's not weight bearing, so it doesn't need to be smothered. Now, what is quite cute, if you can fit it in, not quite, on the houses which have a chimney, you could put a little puff of smoke, but we haven't got quite enough room, so I won't. Could put a little bit of cotton wool, of course, the end of a cotton bud or something. So let's pop this in the middle of our box. There we go. And then this one, the other side. Ooh. And then I will bring in the ribbon that I've already shown you, which is from, as I say, the Flowers for Every Season suite in the annual catalogue. And I still kind of want to say the new annual catalogue because we haven't had it that long. There we go. So, feed that through there and that through there. And then I've got a little piece of the gold twine from the for the Flourishing Ferns ribbon combo that isn't actually available at the moment, but you could use a different twine. Or indeed any twine. Right, I'm going to cheat a bit and bring in my craft tweezers. hold that together. You could use a peg or a fold back clip, something like that. And then this, I'm just going to, before it frays completely, too late. I want it frayed, just not just yet. I want to get this tied in a knot. And then fray the edges. So at this point you can not only fray them, you can trim them off if you want to. So there is my more Christmassy one. I can also tighten it up a bit. There we are. That's my more Christmassy one. And this is my not so Christmassy one. But as I say, great little treat boxes. So if you've always worried about making treat boxes, we've got it covered for you. It's super sweet. Thank you very much indeed. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do remember that you can leave questions and comments below the description bar. If you wish to subscribe, you can do that in the bottom right-hand corner. And I will look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!